Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring doorbell easy install step by step clearly. To begin, gather all the necessary tools and components for your Ring doorbell installation. Make sure you have the Ring doorbell unit, a mounting bracket, screws, a screwdriver, and a drill if needed. If you're replacing an existing doorbell, locate the power source and shut off the electricity to ensure safety. Next, decide on the optimal location for your Ring doorbell. Install the mounting bracket at eye level, ensuring it's within reach of your home's Wi-Fi signal. Use a level to make sure the bracket is straight before marking the drill holes. Drill the holes for the screws, being careful not to damage any wiring. Once the holes are ready, attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the screws provided. If your Ring doorbell is battery-powered, insert the battery according to the instructions included. For hardwired models, connect the wires from your existing doorbell to the Ring doorbell using the provided connectors. Carefully fit the Ring doorbell onto the mounting bracket until it clicks into place. Next, turn on the electricity at the power source if you have hardwired the unit. Download the Ring app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts in the app to set up your Ring doorbell. When prompted, scan the QR code on the Ring doorbell to link it to your account. Connect to your home Wi-Fi network when asked, ensuring the signal is strong. Once connected, enable notifications for real-time alerts. Test the doorbell by pressing the button and checking the app for notifications. Adjust the motion detection settings in the app according to your preferences. Finalize any additional features you wish to use, such as video recording or live view. Congratulations, your Ring doorbell is now fully installed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.